Welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, 3 things that you have to look here in the natural gas price. That see, there is a U pattern has formed. After that there is a downfall. This is the first pattern that you have to understand, and remember a level of 3.65. This is the level where we have seen that if the price touches this level and sustain, then we can see it can cross a level of 4.9. Okay, you have to understand that there is a probability of crossing 4.9. Now if we go on this particular chart, then you have to see that 2 patterns are forming. First pattern is this particular pattern showing that if the price sustain above 4.22, then only we can see further upside. But if you look at this smaller pattern, that shows that if the price keep moving above a level of around 3.63 and before that a level of around 3.37. So if the price sustain above 3.37, then we can see there can be higher chances of further upside and a probability of going towards 3.65 can be there. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, looking at this particular chart, there is a clear indication that we have seen there is a continuous downfall. People who have bought at this level being stuck at this level, even if you have bought at these levels, you are stuck there. Because see, remember, always try to put your SL whenever you trade. It will save the capital, and once you get in profit, try to trail it. Okay, trailing the SL is very important because that will save your profit. That is, see, if you are trailing your SL, it will save your profit. At least you will get some amount of profit, so at least you can accumulate a wealth or increase your chances of making good profit. See, now there is a continuous downfall and we have not seen that it is trying to go upside. See, there was a zone where you could have book profit. Okay, the gap is still pending, 2 gaps, and then there is a gap at 5.3 level. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart, suppose if the price goes below this level, if the price goes below this level, chance of touching 2.74 is there, and this is already weak, so we can see the price can move further down, and yes, after that it can move towards 2.71. okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, there is a higher chances it will cross this particular zone. Because see, if you look at this particular zone, chances are very high it will move below a level of 2.61. okay, and then a further downfall can be seen towards a level of around 2.45, and then it can move towards a level of 2.38. From there we can see a bounce back. Sorry for the sound, because see, it is in the background. And if you look at this particular trend, we can see the price can move towards 2.19, and if the price sustain above that level, we can see a level of 3.11. and once started going upside, we can see a level of 3.25 levels, and if the price going above that particular level, we can see a level of 3.38. then this gap can be filled to a level of 3.43, and if the price sustain above this level, probability of going towards a level of 3.6 can be seen. And once the price sustain above that level, we can see a further upside. So trail your SL by 0.25 or 0.15 depending on your risk on the upside if the price sustain above 3.32, and if the price fall below a level of 2.7. this is what we can do. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,